Hey chocolate lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of chocolate and uncovering the secrets behind how your favorite sweet treats are made. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this mouth-watering journey. Whether it's a simple chocolate bar, truffles, or your favorite candy, the process of making chocolate is a fascinating blend of art and science. So, let's get started. It all begins on cacao farms, where the humble cacao tree produces pods filled with cacao beans. These beans are carefully harvested by skilled farmers. Once the beans are harvested, they go through a meticulous process to transform them into the chocolate we all love. The harvested beans undergo fermentation, a crucial step that develops the chocolate flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried, sorted, and shipped to chocolate manufacturers. Now let's step inside a chocolate factory to witness the magic. The cacao beans are cleaned, roasted, and ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. The chocolate liquor is then separated into cocoa solids and cocoa butter. This process allows manufacturers to control the composition of the chocolate and achieve the desired taste and texture. Next comes conching, a process where the chocolate is continuously mixed and heated. This further refines the texture and flavor, giving the chocolate its smooth and velvety consistency. To ensure that your chocolate has that perfect snap and glossy finish, it undergoes a process called tempering. This involves carefully controlling the temperature of the chocolate as it's cooled and reheated. Once tempered, the chocolate is ready to be molded into the familiar shapes we see on store shelves. From bars to truffles, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the fascinating journey from cacao bean to your favorite chocolate treat. It's amazing to see how a simple bean can be transformed into something so delightful. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the making of chocolate. If you did, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share your favorite chocolate memories in the comments below. Until next time, keep indulging in the sweet side of life. Thanks for joining us on this chocolate adventure. Stay sweet, chocolate enthusiasts.